Hey everyone, welcome back to Thoughts from the Machine. I'm Bill Gebhardt, founder and executive director here at 10 Dynamics. In this episode, we'll cover some of the market happenings from June, and we're going to update everyone on our trend forecasts. We have a chart of the month of U.S. equity market volatility, and we'll look at our 10 Dynamics strength indicator across sectors to get a view of what's happened month-on-month trend changes in market segments. Here we go. So looking back over the last 30 days, there really weren't many new standout markets. So let's review some of the markets we've spoken about previously. U.S. equity indices continue to trend up consistently, just as they did in May, and they still aren't showing any significant reversal probability. We spoke previously about cocoa, one of the strongest trending markets this year. It's now in the middle of a very volatile range. However, our system is still looking at it as a slightly strong uptrend. Our model also continues to forecast higher prices for orange juice, which has been a big trending market this year. And on the downside, kind of the returning champion is the yen, which moved into a very strong downtrending environment at the end of last month, and it fell relentlessly through June. However, a few days ago, we hit a max reversal probability, and as we're filming this, the yen is experiencing a strong reversal right on cue. So our June chart of the month, this month, is volatility, as measured by the CBOE VIX. Now, understanding the VIX can be a bit complicated, but it is viewed as the mainstream measure of expected U.S. market volatility. In our view, what really matters with the VIX, though, is the trend rather than its level. We think this can be a very good indication of future equity prices. A lower trending VIX index should reflect improving investor sentiment on the stability of prices and on macro factors, such as government policy and geopolitical events. Whereas a higher trending VIX, particularly when it starts from a low level, is a real worry for U.S. equities. Systematic strategies, like us, often perform better when the VIX is going up. Asset prices tend to move in a very dynamic and directional manner, so we watch it very closely. The chart shows the VIX reaching pre-pandemic lows, as confidence in equity pricing looks to have steadily returned following a small shakeup in April. Our model's trend forecast for the VIX remains lower, as it really has for several months. But please note it doesn't take a lot to switch our model around. With the U.S. election heating up, it's worth watching for any signs of a trend change. Let's have a look at the trend strength by sector. Really, the only notable month-on-month change is a move from trendless to a downtrend strength of nearly 50% of the max in EU energy. And despite the mild uptrend in EU energy over the last couple months, our trend strength indicator never really turned bullish. Our forecast, therefore, would be for lower prices ahead this summer. Equities have continued to show this strong but narrow trend environment that everyone's been talking about. Our model is showing individual equities and ETFs trendless as a whole, but index is going up, and as we mentioned, volatility is still trending down. Also, note there are no signs of sectors with a high reversal risk. So good news is soon we'll have this trend strength indicator live on our website, and we're also working on an upcoming white paper, which looks at the operational approach to controlling risk when trading systematically. To hear all of the episodes of Thoughts from the Machine or to catch up on our most recent content, please visit the new Insights page on our website, 10dynamics.com/insights. As always, if you're a professional investor and would like to receive our detailed monthly fact sheets, please reach out to inquiries@10dynamics.com and we'll add you to the distribution list. Until then, if you enjoyed this episode, please comment or like it and share it with a friend or colleague. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time with more Thoughts from the Machine.